2024 is a day of harvest, of new beginnings, of triumphs and dreams fulfilled. This is a day to be thankful for and a day to celebrate. A pleasant afternoon to all. Welcome to the 54th commencement exercises of Palawan State University. We now begin the academic reception. This is the entrance of the candidates for graduation from the various degrees offered in this institution of higher learning. The candidates shall march with their parents and or their spouses. Ladies and gentlemen, leading the academic procession is the University Grand Marshal, Dr. Rose C. Aquino, Director, Student Development Services. Join me in welcoming in this year's commencement exercises the cream of the crop, the academic and non-academic awardees. Together with our awardees are their parents. Leading the processional is Mary Karil S. Abdulkari, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, magna cum laude, with GWA of 1.2765. With her are the 23 magna cum laude and 41 cum laude from the College of Arts and Humanities, College of Business and Accountancy, College of Criminal Justice Education, College of Hospitality Management and Tourism, and College of Nursing and Health Sciences. Following the academic awardees are this year's non-academic awardees, 15 loyalty awardees, and 2 leadership awardees for this year's commencement exercises. Ladies and gentlemen, the cream of the crop.
Aman Julian B. Abdulmalik Casper S. Abdullah Yasser A. Abid Larry B. Abrigondo Chino S. Apple Cindy Antoine J. Aguel Nimar L. Alcovindas Gerard B. Alisamco Crystal Kin S. Dolgi Aman Julian B. Aguel Nimar L. Alcovindas Gerard B. Alisamco Crystal Kin S.
Ako nga, hindi ko alam kung
Pila-pil din ni Papa yung... Ano, nasaan ang sombrero?
Pat. Meron yung ano.
Oh, graduate na rin pati si Papa.
Meron yung
Masteral pa kagad yung iba pa.
Graduate naman na, oh. Graduate naman na, di ba?
Oh, graduate na. Last na yan eh.
Graduate na eh. Oh. Last na.
Nasaan ang sombrero, Pat?
Last na nag-graduate.
Ayaw na ni
Kaya
Papa ng
si
sombrero.
mo, nakagraduate na rin sa magpaparal.
Woo! Pauwi na tayo! Pot yung 0.5 ano? Ay, sorry. Akala ko ikaw yun eh.
Sama.
Bigla lang ano.
Wait kayo.